You didn't think that was it, did you? This is the WHATABURGER Birthday Special. I just showed you how to make my favorite WHATABURGER patty melt, and now I'm going to show you a fan favorite, the Honey Butter Chicken Biscuit. Stick around, this one's going to be really fast and it's going to be so delicious. First things first, we're gonna start out with our biscuits. Now I like to use the flaky ones from Pillsbury, but you can use any canned pre-made biscuits that you want, or you can make them from scratch. Next, we're gonna put our biscuits on a baking sheet with parchment paper and put it in the oven for the recommended amount of time. Next, we're gonna start with our honey butter. So we're gonna take 1 stick of softened butter and we're gonna put that in our mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna whisk that, and you can see the desired consistency, it's pretty soft. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and of course, honey, and lots of it. We're gonna add about 1/3 cup of honey to the 1 stick of butter. Add a little more honey if you want a runnier sauce. Next, we're gonna pour our oil into a pot and heat that up. I like using canola oil for frying. We're gonna make our breading mixture, so we start off with some flour, and then I like to add seasonings to make it so flavorful. So I add paprika, and of course you need lots of salt, and then I like to add pepper and even some onion powder. It gives the batter such a great flavor, and your chicken will taste amazing. You're gonna wanna whisk all of your seasonings and the flour together before we bread the chicken. Now for a binder, I like to use egg. I crack 1 egg and I scramble it, and then we're gonna use that to bind the flour to the chicken. Next, we are gonna dip our chicken thigh into the egg mixture, and then we're gonna dip that into the flour. Now, I use chicken thighs, and I know that is a little bit controversial, but chicken thighs actually have more rich flavor. It is a dark meat rather than the white meat. So what I did was I dipped the chicken in the egg, the flour, and then I'm gonna put it back into the egg because I want it to be extra crispy. And then it's gonna go back in the flour, and we're gonna have a double dipped fried chicken. And we are gonna stick that chicken into our pot. Now I want my oil to be at a medium to low heat. You don't want it too hot because then the outside will cook and the inside will be raw. So I used 1 chicken thigh here and I cut it in half, and then I made the mistake, now the sides are exposed with no batter. So what I do, I redid it and I used the chicken cut in half before I fried it. And don't worry, that didn't go to waste, I promise. So those biscuits are looking beautifully golden brown. We pulled them out of the oven and I cut them in half, and we are gonna stack our sandwiches. We are going to put our chicken tenders on them. Yes, I should say chicken thighs. And then we are gonna drizzle our honey butter sauce. That is beautiful. You're gonna get such a nice flaky biscuit with the crunchy chicken and the sweet and buttery sauce. We're gonna top those off with our biscuits, and there you have it. That's it. That's how easy this was. Biscuits, sauce, chicken, and you're done. Moment of truth, we are going to test try both sandwiches. Now I'm going to start with WHATABURGER's chicken biscuit. You know, it has everything. It has the biscuit, the chicken, the sauce. So we're going to give that a bite and see how it tastes. So that one, it had all of the components. The seasoning was there, but it was dry. And it was heated up, but the biscuit, it just wasn't a lot of moisture. There wasn't a ton of sauce. Some of my friends suggested maybe the spicy ketchup. It was okay. It wasn't great. The honey butter with the spicy ketchup was all right. And now we're gonna try mine. So right off the bat, mine has a really rich color, and I took a bite into it. It was so moist. The flakiness of the biscuit was there. We had the sweetness of the sauce, and then that nice crunch with the chicken. And using the thigh, everyone, seriously made a huge difference. The meat looks a different color because it is a dark meat part, so it's not gonna look the same when it's cooked as like a chicken tender, but it is fully cooked and it had so much flavor. Even with the spicy ketchup, it actually tasted really good. So, oh my gosh, I don't think I can go back after having this. So thank you, WHATABURGER. You were amazing, but I think I'm gonna head out and eat the rest of this. I'll see you guys later.